Welcome to the Roam Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. PioneCom, accessible at www.pionecom.net, stands as a prominent provider of WebRTC solutions, specifically focusing on enabling seamless real-time communication experiences within web browsers and mobile applications. Their core offering revolves around software development kits, SDKs, and application programming interfaces, APIs, designed to streamline the integration of WebRTC technology. This empowers developers to incorporate features like video conferencing, peer-to-peer file sharing, and live streaming into their projects with relative ease. PioneCom's offerings cater to a diverse array of use cases, including but not limited to online education platforms seeking interactive virtual classrooms, telehealth providers aiming to facilitate remote patient consultations, and businesses looking to enhance internal collaboration through real-time communication tools. Their technology enables developers to bypass the complexities often associated with WebRTC implementation, providing a more accessible and efficient development process. The company prides itself on delivering highly performant and reliable solutions, ensuring low-latency communication crucial for real-time interactions. Furthermore, PioneCom's commitment to open-source principles underscores their dedication to transparency and community-driven development. This approach fosters collaboration and allows for ongoing improvements and enhancements to the platform, benefiting the wider developer community. Their focus on simplifying the integration of complex real-time communication functionalities makes PioneCom a valuable resource for developers looking to enhance their applications with engaging and interactive features. By leveraging WebRTC, PioneCom facilitates rich, real-time communication experiences across various platforms and devices, bridging the gap between users and creating a more connected digital world. Explore their comprehensive suite of tools and resources at www.pionecom.net to discover how PioneCom can empower your next project.